Hang on. There we go. I'm celebrating National Trim Your Nose Hairs Day. Hey there, I am Jeff, the radio DJ dude. And if you're lucky enough to wake up every day, what you are guaranteed another nutty, wacky holiday. From play a ukulele day to read a roadmap day, and what the hell am I doing in Tijuana? Wear an oversized tie day, or patriotic bib day. And my favorite, beaver appreciation day. No, not that. This. There you go. Something silly for you to celebrate and lean into every single day. And here's what I've got on offer today. I have found a way to automate a cool dynamic sweeper element that basically rips a couple of these wacky holidays, spins them around and puts them into a production element that basically produces itself in the cloud, hands-free, every day. So you're guaranteed a fresh piece of content, actually 3 or 4 fresh sweepers every day.
We are on the air.
But in honor of Shut Your Trap and Get to the Point Day, well, put your ear on what this sucker sounds like.
We're having extreme 80s fun on National Bingo Day, National Cream Tea Day, and National Food Truck Day.
Triple X 80s.
I'm going to share the workflow, the AI prompt, and I've got 2 ways for you to pull this off. Kind of the super cool automated hands-free approach and the more manual approach if you don't want to deal with all that techno mumbo jumbo. Now, first of all, why is this even something you should consider? I mean, you and I may kind of roll our eyes at these wacky holidays, but listeners eat this stuff up. They love rando trivia. They love this day in history. They love birthdays. But hey, it's not about what we like. It's about providing the listeners moments that make them perk up and give them a little satisfaction. And something like this, I think, checks that box.
Let's go!
Here we are in our intimidatingly exciting N8 in workflow in all its glory. Look at this. Right off the bat, we are checking in with the Check-A-Day website, which you go grab a free API key from. And we put our key in the ignition, give it a turn, and this is what it spits out. Today's nutty events. It's Happy Birthday to You Day. Decide to be Married Day. I don't know if that ever deserves a day. Drive your Corvette to Work Day. We've got National Bingo Day. All exciting things you really want to be celebrating. National Indian Pudding Day. Oh my goodness, I knew I forgot to send a card. So many to celebrate and so many that you don't want to deny your listeners of that good time. Now, once you have that piece of the puzzle, I could just lock that in by hitting P to pin the data so I don't have to keep hitting that site. And from there, I will break the chain and let it run. It has the holidays. Now the robo-writer is actually, turning those in to fun little scripts that we can produce AI voiceovers. Look at this, playing more awesome 80s music on Happy Birthday to You Day, Decide to be Married Day, and Drive your Corvette to Work Day. Then I have another one. We're having extreme 80s fun on National Bingo Day, National Cream Tea Day, and National Food Truck Day. So what I'm doing, I'm integrating like a slogan for my station and then these super sexy, nutty national holidays. And how this is all coming together is right here in this basic LL chain node. So I'm giving it explicit instructions. You're going to write exactly, no more, no less, 3 short radio scripts for a morning show that highlight fun and odd daily holidays. I give it a sample, and then with my finger wagging, you must follow these rules. But right here, this is where I drop in my slogans. Each script must start with one of the following. Use a different opener for each script. Rotate evenly if there are more scripts than openers. Let's say you want more. You could boost this up to 4. Do 5. But if you do that, you just have to make sure there are enough holidays. Because if we're doing 3 per script, well, right here we need 9. Obviously, we're in good shape because I think if we come back here, we could see a total of 16 items. Some days there's more, some days not so much. So step one is gathering data and then writing scripts based on those wacky holidays. After that, it's producing the AI voiceovers using 11 labs. And for some of you, this is as far as you'll go. If you don't want to embark on this wild ride of a workflow that's coming up, you don't have to. You can take these voice tracks, and if you want to run them dry, fine. Or if you want to spice them up and add some, sound effects and some other branding, I say knock yourself out. That's what I'm choosing to do. But how I'm about to do it is all hands-free in the cloud. And this is very exciting. So strap in, because after we produce these voice files, we're then going to send them to my automated audio processing app in the cloud. It's going to hit them with some nice radio compression and make sure they pop. And then the secret sauce is this audio join node, which is a special app that I created that basically will cut together these files in the cloud. So this bit should start with this little tech riser sound effect, and then the voiceover, and then at the end it's going to cut in a XXX80s stab, and then it'll drop that finished file into my Dropbox, and then boom, it's on the air. No muss, no fuss, no me having to go in the production room and edit and mix all this stuff together. No, it automatically generates radio ready sweepers, and that's why I think this is super cool. For example, here's that tech riser. Or if you wanted something faster, you could do this quick hit right before the voiceover. And then boom, voiceover begins. And then we have two ways we can end this. Let's say if I'm using a male voiceover, then I could wrap up the bit
XXX80s
with that. Or if I have a female voiceover, I could roll this
XXX80s.
And then that's a nice self-contained bit that you could run. That's a lot of lip flapping. Let's see if this actually works. So right now we have 3 scripts in the hopper. Voice tracks being generated. I think 3 are being generated, but it's only going to send 1 to audio processing. Now it's cutting it together in theory and then sending the finished file to Dropbox. Boom, just like that. Let's pop over to Dropbox.
Playing more awesome 80s music on Happy Birthday to You Day, Decide to Be Married Day, and Drive Your Corvette to Work Day.
XXX80s.
So right off the bat, you want to make sure that all your produced elements, their levels, are not competing or overshadowing the 11 Labs voice files. So I think that XXX80 step was a little loud, so I want to go back over to Audition and remix that and then upload it back to the Google Drive, so we'll have something that works better with the files coming out of 11 Labs.
XXX80s.
And then I'll let you peek under the hood of how all this audio is being edited in the cloud. It's because of this wild script right here. So this was the previous Stab 3. I'm going to replace this code, and now we should be back in business. I'll commit the changes. So when you're testing this early on, maybe you just want to output 1 script, and you could just send that through the chain and make sure that you're digging the audio processing and you like how the cut is turning out. Okay, so now that we know this works, this is exciting stuff, I want to change, and this shows you just how easy it is. You could mix up and add some variety to this produced sweeper. Let's say I don't want the tech riser, but I want to try this quick hit, and the keyword is just quick hit. So I come over here, I replace tech riser with quick hit, and let's say I also want to swap out the voice. So I just swapped out the female 11 Labs voice with a male voice. Let's give this a run, and we can see how it sounds by using the male voice to announce the funny events and then tagging it out with a female whisper. To me, it always sounds best if you compare a male and female voice together in one production element. Just like that, it's ready to roll. Let's see how this sounds.
Playing more awesome 80s music on Happy Birthday to You Day, Decide to Be Married Day, and Drive Your Corvette to Work Day.
XXX80s.
That sounds great. For my taste, the voice started a little too soon. I wanted the sound effect to have a little more breathing room, and that's an easy fix. Just come back over here to innate in, and yeah, I want to put this maybe to 0.80. I could try this again and see what we get.
Playing more awesome 80s music on Happy Birthday to You Day, Decide to Be Married Day, and Drive Your Corvette to Work Day.
Triple X 80s.
Yeah, that's great. That's tight. I dig that. And now what's happening over on the radio station computer, the Dropbox folder is loading up with these brand new, fully produced holiday sweepers. Then I have another piece of software that renames the file and then sends it to the appropriate folder that RadioDJ would look for these files in. Oh, but we were going to swap out the Tech Riser for the Quick Hit just to see what we think of this. And this does require this value to change to 0.50, the overlap value, because I want the voice to come and run on the heels of that sound effect.
Playing more awesome 80s music on Happy Birthday to You Day, Decide to Be Married Day, and Drive Your Corvette to Work Day.
Triple X 80s.
Just like that, lickety split, boom, I dig it. I know you get what a huge time savings this is, but I mean, otherwise, you're having to assemble this from scratch every day. I mean, you probably could build a template. I'm using Adobe Audition, so it starts with that sound effect, and then you have to go grab the voiceover files.
Playing more awesome 80s music on Happy Birthday to You Day, Decide to Be Married Day, and Drive Your Corvette to Work Day.
Triple X 80s.
Okay, so that probably would be your template. So you'd be bringing in the new daily events voiceover. After it sounds good, then, of course, you have to export it, you need to name it, save it, and then you have to repeat the process either 2, 3, or 4 more times, depending how many daily sweepers you're producing. So, as you can see, it all adds up. I mean, I don't know, is that 15, 20 minutes every day? I mean, this feels like this is 15 seconds per sweeper or less once you have the whole workflow set up. This is a huge time saver. A while back, I teased this super cool automated audio processing workflow in that video on artist, fact, or fiction. Right there, check it out. But now we actually have a full-fledged course and a workshop and all the files that you need to kick this into gear onto your station and to automate some of your radio station production elements. Because as you saw, yes, this will put in the sweeper sound effect. It'll cut together the voiceovers and add on that cool radio station ID at the end. Just like that, lickety split. If you want to jump into this, I've got a number of really detailed videos to walk you through every step of the way to make this happen. Yes, I'm going to include all the files you need, all the code that really works the magic behind the scenes. Yep, that's included. I'm going to throw in the project files for not only this bit, the nutty daily holiday bit, but also that artist, fact, or fiction feature that I shared with you earlier. So if any of this makes you perk up and say, yeah, I really would like to save some time and automate some of my radio station production elements, well, check out the link in the description. We'll get you in the workshop and you'll be running with this in no time. And if you do jump in, I do thank you so much for your support. Let's say you want to roll sound effect free. You just want the voiceover and then the station stab at the end. Well, that's pretty simple. Let's come over here and let's delete the Tech Riser. Boom. And now it starts. I'm going to change this to file number 1, which is our data file from 11 Labs, and file 2 is stab 3. And then we'll save it, try it again.
This is the spot for totally rad 80s music on National Ice Cream Cake Day, National Indian Pudding Day, and National Onion Day.
Triple X 80s.
So this just gives you incredible flexibility and lets you quickly incorporate variety into your production. And once again, this is all hands-free. You're automating this sweeper production in the cloud. And for me, I will set up a schedule and I'll run this, let's say, every night at 12:05 a.m. But now that that has been set up, I just set it and forget it. I no longer, even have to think about this. So that's the fancy way to do this. Now, let's say you don't want to jump through the hoops of implementing this system and you just want something a little more low-key. Well, you could adjust your prompt to make this a self-contained script where you're saying, playing more awesome 80s music on National Ride a Bike Day. And you could say right here on Triple X 80s. you can include your station name into the script. Then we probably want to add one more rule. So let's test this out to actually see if those robo-writers will follow our rules. Look at that. Playing more awesome 80s music on Happy Birthday to You Day, Drive Your Corvette to Work Day, and National Bingo Day right here on Triple X 80s. So it ended each script with right here on Triple X 80s. That is awesome. In this case, I mean, you wouldn't need this because you're not doing any audio processing or editing in the cloud. So all you do is just send the dry voice tracks to your Dropbox and they could be integrated into your radio station software. I mean, I still think you want to get around having to physically produce this sweeper every day. I mean, how time consuming is that? It's not worth it in my opinion. But if it's something that can be automated, it is a fresh production element that changes daily with an incredibly little amount of effort on your part if you're doing it this way. And we want to give this a demo. I'm going to send one script to 11 Labs and you can get an idea what that sounds like. And this is going to be super quick. Boom, it's done. We come back over here.
Playing more awesome 80s music on Happy Birthday to You Day, Drive Your Corvette to Work Day, and National Bingo Day, right here on Triple X 80s.
It's totally up to you. Maybe you don't need the flash and production value of a sweeper with sound effects and, a produced, station announcement at the end. You could totally roll something like this. It still is a fun, fresh, and dynamic sweeper that updates daily. So all the silly goodness comes from this checkaday.com site. Of course, this site alone, this web page alone, doesn't do us any good in this workflow. That's why we have to grab a free API key that we put in right down here that allows us to access just the holiday names every day. We don't need any of this other gobbledygook. And then we use some of these other nodes to parse out just the names, put them together in one nice list, which is then sent to our robo-writer, ChatGPT, and they produce the scripts. But how do we do this? We use this site, apilayer.com. Check a day. Here it is. View the API. Now, I'm on the free plan. This will give you 100 requests monthly, which is perfect because you're only going to be pulling this once a day. So you sign up with API Layer for free. You get your API key, and then you set up your Check-A-Day site node over in N8N, and you use this URL to actually tap into the events. And right here, this is where you enter your API key, and everything else you leave alone. Response format JSON. You're sending headers using the fields below. Name is API key, and this is where you paste in your free API key.
Playing more awesome 80s music on Happy Birthday to You Day, Decide to be Married Day, and Drive Your Corvette to Work Day.
Triple X 80s.
I don't know about you, but I'm counting the days until National Weed Whack Your Back Day. Oh my goodness, my wife looks forward to this too. So anyway, I hope you jump on this nutty holiday train and give this a shot. Once again, it's just a way to infuse daily fresh content onto your station without a lot of work, and that is a win-win-win for everyone. Another win-win is clicking that like and subscribe button, because who doesn't love clicking buttons? And for me, it means a lot. So I do thank you so much. Love hanging out with you. I am Jeff, the radio DJ dude, and until our next little radio rendezvous, you keep those nose hairs trimmed and keep rocking those mics all over the world.